In this video, I will show you how to use sync blocks in Notion. So the first thing you need to do is to type slash here and then search for sync. Click on sync block. So we will try it. You will see the block here. So I will type as example and then I will click on copy. Then I will click on empty space. Then I will paste it here. So I will paste it again. And you will see I have 4 blocks, and when I type another word, you will see that it's sync here. And then I will try to add another page here, which is second page, and we will try to paste the sync block here. So you will see that also the word is paste, and then I will go to first page and I will add another word here on the block. For example, I will type only, and then I will check it on another page and you will see it will also sync in this block. So for that, I will try to type here in the new page, try this. So I will go to first page and you will see it also sync in these blocks. Then after that, you will see a drop down here. So when you click this, so you will see the blocks where it is located. So for example, this is an original blocks and this is on the first page, this is on the first page, and then here in this page, here in the second page. So click these 3 dots to unsync the blocks. So click on unsync all, click on this, and then it will unsync all and you will see the block is removed. So to put the block here, click on 6 dots, then click on turn into, then click on sync block. You will see it go back and then repeat it again in this 3. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.